Jan with Tasty Road Trips. We're really excited to be here with you today. We are at the Old Marina Restaurant on Pustlynch Lake at Pustlynch, Ontario. Do you know, we've been here before and we just love that it's this little community in marina. There's jets, boat skis, they've got cottages and campers, and it's only about a 5-minute drive away from the Town Line Road exit on Highway 401 at Cambridge, Ontario. You wouldn't even believe it, because all of a sudden the fields open up and we're in this incredible place. So the reason that we didn't videotape inside of the restaurant is it's really a windy day out today. We think there's a thunderstorm coming. That's why we're on our way shortly, because we are on 2 wheels. But we wanted to let you see the beautiful background. Look at that cottage in the middle of the lake on the island. It's amazing. So the way that we came here today from our area was we went down Highway 5 all the way through Paris, Ontario, and then we turned on our way to 99 right at St. George. And I'll be honest, in St. George, Ontario, we just hit the GPS and it got us here because we went through so many back roads and countrysides. It was absolutely beautiful. You've got to take a drive to Old Marina Restaurant. Now, the restaurant itself is quite interesting because it's on Pustlynch Lake. So when you're sitting outside and you're eating your lunch, which was delicious, by the way, you're seeing like jet skis go by and families in their boats. It's stunning. Across the lake, there's some magnificent cottages. So if you're looking for somewhere really interesting to go on a tasty road trip, you really should check out the Old Marina Restaurant. In their foyer, where you're waiting for your table, they've got some neat little crafts as well. They've got some local jewelers, some beautiful earrings. They also have some candy and some fudge, as well as some really interesting repurposed furniture that someone has made new again. So wanted to let you know about this great spot. It's pretty busy here today. We've probably waited quite a while for our table, but we wanted that picturesque look over the lake while we enjoyed our lunch. So thanks for checking us out. Tasty Road Trips is always having fun. Remember to discover Ontario, discover some really interesting places that you can go on a road trip and be home in the same day. We'll see you soon. Travel safe. Remember, if you're on 2 wheels, 3 wheels, or 4, you just got to go and discover Ontario. We'll see you soon.